Hello everyone, welcome to my lecture series. In today's lecture series, we will discuss about the historical background of artificial intelligence from the year 1950s to today. Let's start with the introduction to AI. AI is a young discipline of 60 years, which is a combination of science, theories, and techniques. Basically includes mathematical logic, statistics, computational neurobiology, computer science, and probabilities. Basically, it is aimed to imitate the cognitive abilities of a human being. AI is a method of making a computer controlled robot, or a software thinks intelligently like a human mind. The main application of technology to perform tasks that resembles human cognitive functions. The current slide deals with the graphical representation of historical background of AI. 1943, the gestation of AI. 1956, birth of AI. 1942 to 69, early enthusiasm, great expectation year. 1966 to 73, dose of reality. 1969 to 79, knowledge based system era. 1980, AI becomes industry. Return of neural network begins with the 1986. 1987, AI adopts various scientific methods. 1995, emergence of intelligent agent. 2001 till now, large data sets. Let's discuss the gestation of AI from the year 1943 to 1956. First, the year of 1943, McCulloch and Pitts. They both wrote a paper on how neurons might work. In order to describe how neurons in the brain might work, they modeled a simple neural network using electronic circuits. Next is 1949. Donald Hebb is known for his theory of Hebbian learning, which he introduced in his classic 1949 work, The Organization of Behavior. In the year 1950, Marvin Minsky and Adams built the first AI neural network consisting of 40 interconnected neurons with short and long term memory. In the year 1956, McCarthy coined the term AI in a proposal that they wrote for the famous Dartmouth Conference in summer 1956. The birth of AI, 1956. The field of AI was first born at a workshop that is organized by John McCarthy in the year 1956 at Dartmouth Summer Workshop. The 1956 Dartmouth Workshop was the moment that AI gained its name, its mission, its first success, and its major player, and is widely considered as the birth of AI. Early enthusiasm, great expectations year, the era from the year 1952 to 1969. First, 1958, McCarthy Lisp. McCarthy was involved in the AI work at the MIT, and because the Lisp structure was uniquely suited to the AI, Lisp became the language of choice for AI work. Lisp's sentence-based structure allowed machine to reason and declarative knowledge. 1958, Minksey's Microworlds proposed that, likewise, AI research should focus on developing programs capable of intelligent behavior in a simpler environmentals known as microworlds. In the year 1959, General Problem Solver Era is also known as GPS. This is important to note that GPS was not the first software ever written, but software was previously written with very specific goal. GPS was the first useful AI program which is written by Simon Shaw and Newell in the year 1959. Let's talk about the year 1972. Newell and Simon proposed the problem solving theory. People solve problems via heuristic search through a problem space in this regard. This theory remains the centerpiece of our understanding of how people solve unsimilar problems, but it is seriously incomplete. A dose of reality from the year 1966 to 1973. In this era, most of the early programs knew nothing about their subject's matters. Untraceability of various problems to solve the AI is also there. Fundamental limitations were also the foundations. Knowledge based systems, years from 1969 to 1979. Let's first discuss about what is a knowledge based system. Basically, it is a computer program that use centralized repository of data, which is also known as a knowledge base that provides a method for problem solving. These systems are a form of AI designed to capture the knowledge of human experts to support decision making. For example, Dendril, invented in the year 1969, Mycin, invented in the year 1976, Prospector, invented in the year 1979. From the year 1980 to 1988, AI becomes an industry. There was an AI boom, or we can say, after AI winter duration, AI becomes back with the expert system. Expert system were programs that emulate the decision making ability of a human expert. Expert system industry boom is there. In the year 1981, Japan 10-year 50 generation project was also there. The AI industry boomed from $1 million to $1 billion at the end of 1981. There were several companies that started manufacturing the robots, expert systems, and vision systems, and many more. The return of neural networks and novel AI from the year 1986 to present. Mid 80s, backpropagation learning algorithm was reinvented. Export systems industries boomed. In the year 1988, resurgence of the probability was there. 1988, the novel AI, whether A-Life, GA's soft computing concept was there, started. In the year 1995, agents were everywhere. 2003, human level AI back on the agenda. From the year 1987 till date, AI adopts several scientific methods such as hidden Markov models, Bayesian networks, hidden Markov models based on rigorous mathematical models. It is a probabilistic model that consists of a sequence of hidden states, each of which generates an observation. The hidden states are usually not directly observable, and the goal of HMM is to estimate the sequence of hidden states based on a sequence of observation. In case of Bayesian networks, they are probabilistic because these networks are built from the probability distribution and also use the probability theory for prediction and anomaly detection. In the real world applications are probabilistic in nature and to represent the relationship between multiple events, we need a Bayesian networks. It can also be used in several other tasks such as predictions, anomaly detections, diagnostics, automated insights, time series predictions, and decision making uncertainty. There is emergence of intelligent agents, internet tools and search engines from the year 1995 to present. If we talk about the year 2001 till date, there is a large dataset era, Hess and Efros in the year 2007 also discuss the problem of filling in holes in a photograph or a image. Thank you for watching this video lecture series on the historical background of AI. For next video lectures, stay tuned and to subscribe our channel log on to @Lavanya Deco.